Alright, so today we are looking at Chapter 4, Lesson 2. We are just reviewing, this is what we've been working on all week. Sometimes when we divide, first of all, let's start here. When I divide, what am I doing?
You're doing a certain group of whatever number.
Okay, I'm putting items in equal groups. Do me a favor. I would like everybody to take their bag of beans. I would like you to ziplock the top, and I want you to put it on the corner of your desk. There you go. Thank you so much. All right, so division is putting things in equal groups. All right, with division and multiplication, it is important that my groups are equal, are the same size. I have the same number of items in each group. Now, sometimes I am asked to divide a number, and I put items in equal groups, but I have some left over. What do I call the leftovers?
Remainder.
I call them the remainder. And how do I put the remainder on my page? I use the R, and then I tell you how many I have left over. So the remainder is how many I have left over. All right, so let's look at problem 1. Okay, I'm going to start here. I have 10, and I'm dividing that into 3 groups. So you can take your beans. You don't need your expo markers because I think you can just put the groups on your desk. All right, so you can put 10 beans into your plate. All right, I got 10 beans on my plate. And we're going to divide those 10 beans into 3 groups. Into 3 groups. So I have 10 beans, and I'm dividing the 10 beans into 3 groups. Ooh, except I don't have 10 beans. There we go. Corey, do you need help? Cody, do you have a hole in your bag? Or did it just fall at the top? Okay, it's fine. Alright, so when I have 10 beans and I divide it into 3 groups, how many beans are in each group? 3. I have 3 beans in each group, and how many do I have left over?
1.
So I have a remainder of 1, and so that's how I write my answer. Yes. What do you do if you don't have any left over? If I didn't have any left over, I would just have the answer. But for this problem, you should have 1 left over. But I would just put the number. All right, if you are working on the floor, you can get down just right to the left of your desk. That's fine. But you should be sitting up tall. All right. I said yes. If you would like to sit down just to the left of your desk, you can sit on your floor and work on this. All right. So next we're going to do 28 divided by 5. So put 28 beans in your plate. It will though because the beans are very small. So that's 10, 11, 12, 13. right, so I put 28 beans in my plate, and I'm going to divide those 28 beans into 5 groups. Yeah, maybe beans are like people are all a little different. Five groups. Yep. This is the first number is the number I'm dividing. The second number is how many groups I need. Okay, now I want you to divide those 28 into 5 groups. No. You have 28 you start with, and you divide into 5 groups.
I got 5 remaining.
Cody, if you want to do groups of 5, you can do groups of 5. That'll work too.
Oh, you can't see it no more.
I'm waiting till it. Okay, so put all your stuff in your bag, and you can just leave your plate and your bag on top of your desk, and then if you'll clear everything else off your desk. Do you have what? Did we have music last Tuesday? So, like Tuesday the 9th, you do not have music. Tuesday the 16th, you do have music.
Wait, when did we have? I think on the 9th. We have art tomorrow, though.
You have art tomorrow. All right. So, how many did you have in each group? 5. And how many did we have left over?
3.
All right. Cody brought up an interesting point, and I want to show you this. All right. If this is easier for you, it'll be okay. That's why we put the name on the spine. If this will be easier for you, you can do things this way. I can start with 15 beans. right, I want you to stop for just a second. I want you to stop so you watch what I do. All right, now, this is 15 divided by 6. Yes, ma'am. Hey. Yes, ma'am. You're welcome. All right, Cody and Jeremiah, if you'll put your all right. Although, Cody, if you'll wait just a second, because I do want to explain this, because this is an alternate way to look at this. Now, I could take my 15 beans and I can divide them into 6 groups, but this will also work. I can do groups of 6 and see how many I can get, how many groups of 6 I can get. So I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's one group. And I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, here's another group, and then how many do I have left over? I have 3 left over. Oh, there we go. All right, I'm going to get the same answer, because how many groups of 6 do I have? I have 2 groups of 6 with the remainder of 3, but also if I were to put these in 6 groups, I would have 2 in each group with a remainder of 3. So either way will work. All right, if you will do number 4 on your own, all right, number 4 is 11 divided by 3.
Wait, what was number?
Number 3 I did, and I got 2 remainder of 3. I want you guys to do number 4 on your own. 11 divided by 3. Okay, it's 11, and you can either do 3 groups, or you can do groups of 3. No. 11 is, you start with 11. Get out 11 beans. If you wanna go on, you can. That's fine. All right, so you start with 11 beans, Charlie. All right, you have your 11 beans. Now I want you to divide those 11 beans into 3 groups. Okay, how many do you have in each group? 3. How many do you have left over?
2.
All right, if you will please put all of your beans in your bag, and put your bag and your plate on the corner of your desk, and I want to look at number 13. All right, well, let's go to 13. Sometimes you're not going to have a bag of beans to do your dividing. So you can use a picture to help you. All right? There are 2 methods we can go. We can go circles and dots. We can go arrays. I'm going to show you one of each. You can choose which one, but you're drawing a picture. What is important about your picture? That the groups are the same size. So, number 13, I have 19 and I'm dividing it by 3. So I have 3 groups. And I'm going to divide 19. So I'm going to put 19. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Do I have enough to do one more round for all the things? No. So I have 1 left over. So there's my 19. So 19 divided by 3. How many are in each group? 6. And then what's left over?
1.
A remainder of 1. Now, sometimes I can't tell if I'm going to have enough for each group, so it might be better to line them up. And I'm going to show you how, and this is using an array. So here I have 47 divided by 5. So I'm going to put my dots in a line. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, I started too far up. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. I'm out of room. I'm going to have to come down here. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Now, how many complete rows of 5 do I have?
5.
Well, look, here's a complete row of 5. Here's a complete row of 5. There's a row. There's a row. Okay, that's fine. All right. So how many complete rows of 5 do you have? Okay, so I have 9 complete groups of 5, and how many do I have left over?
2.
All right. Do 35 divided by 4 that way. You can draw the circles with the dots, or you can draw the rows. Either way. Yep, you're doing number 15. Okay, when you're done, just put your thumbs up on the table so I know you're ready. I prefer pencil for math. Put that on my desk. Thanks. How many did you have left? All right. So I have 35 divided by 4. So I have my 4 groups. I have 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. I have 3 left. Can I go one more round? Okay, 32, 33, 34, 35. How many do I have in each circle?
8.
I have 8 in each circle. How many do I have left over?
3.
Here's a hint. If I multiply 8 times 4 and add my remainder, I should get this number. So 8 times 4 is 32, plus 3 is 35. Because remember, I can use the opposite to check. So I can check addition with subtraction or subtraction with addition. I can also check division with multiplication. All right. You may close your books and put them